You know what's huge right now? 3D nail designs. They're all about texture and depth, giving each nail a sculpted look that people can't stop talking about. Some say it's too much, but I think it's a fun way to let your nails make a statement. But let's shift gears for a second. I want to show you something super cute for Halloween. These ghost and pink pumpkin stickers are a quick, fun way to add a little flair to your look. Here's how I like to apply them. Peel off the backing, then carefully peel the sticker from the clear film and place it directly on your nail. Smooth it out, press down, and you're already halfway to a flawless Halloween nail. While everyone debates whether 3D nails are over the top or just right, you've got a subtle but spooky vibe with these stickers. Finish with a clear top coat, and you're done. By the way, all of these designs are custom made here at Candy Nails, completely one of a kind, and we even accept custom orders. So what's your preference? 3D nails or cute transfers? Let me know in the comments.